Alright, trying playing around with a Insta360 camera again. I get bored too easy. Back using the Insta360 video camera. I'll use it once in a while. I have to admit that the video is more entertaining. It tells more of a story. I had to get my fix in for this day. And scooters, they give you that good fix. Love the Sur-Ron, but I don't know, something about the scooter. The sense of speed on being low is it's a good feeling. Beautiful clouds today. Right after it rains, always have nice clouds out there. I enjoy scooting through the clouds. Wolf Warrior 11 Plus is, yeah, it's aging, but it's still doing me right. Still a fun scooter. It'll still hit 50 miles per hour. Hitting turbo, of course, but don't have to do that all the time. You can just enjoy going, 20s, 30s, 40s. Yeah, the old 360 mount squeak is back. I really need to tighten that every time. I just keep forgetting. I'll put some kind of grease on it or something. It's annoying, but I just forget. Looking at myself in this the camera, seeing my TSG helmet, I look like a total alien, a green little alien. And I like it. Love riding in the Bay Area with my friends, especially San Francisco. Something about the country up here where I live in Mantegan. It's not bad. There's a lot of open roads, so you can kind of open up your PEV. Nice little park. Families gather over here. Usually busier than this though, but maybe because the grass is wet. I'm not sure. I like cruising by it. Riding the scooter always gets attention from little kids. They love seeing it. It's kind of funny. Actually gets attention from adults too. I think they love it more. Weather was around the low 60s, maybe mid 60s on this ride. Thought I'd bring in my heated vest, but it wasn't that bad. Doing a little horsing around here on the grass. I know, probably pisses people off, but whatever. Wolf Warrior does it pretty good. Wolf Warrior actually does pretty good on off-road with the off-road tires and the street tires. And yes, I'm always scoping around for little kids and dogs and people walking around. If I get near them, you'll see me slowing down. My buddy and I are trying to map out a ride for PEVs for Manteca and River Island, Slave Throat, and Tracy. I want to see if we could try to combine a ride and bring out some friends over here. My buddy Manny that lives in River Islands with the Visa 10 Plus. Same one I have. Speaking of that, I need to ride my Visa scooters. I haven't rode them in a while.
I don't wanna hide. Learning to love as I go. I'll take you for a ride.
Pretty windy here. I think I got close to 50 miles per hour, but yeah, I didn't. I guess if I tucked down really low, then I would have hit it. But that wind could be a tad bit sketchy. Gotta be really careful with it. Rough road, choppy road on a scooter. It's kind of sketchy. Potholes and 11-inch wheels could be yeah, you know what I mean. Now I know why alien rides call it alien rides. Because we look like aliens on these scooters. I haven't rode in this area before, but I found a little, it's like a BMX track here, a small one. Thought I'd try it out. So, BMX track over here. Get in there. And paid for this after though. Even though it was fun, but I had to wash down my scooter after. It was dirty. Actually smelled too after running over some fruit that fell off a tree. Yuck.
Nice clouds day. After the rain, it's always beautiful. If I don't get a flat.
I've been lucky. I haven't got a flat yet. I know I'll get one, but got some slime on these wheels. I think slime helps. I have armadillos on my Suron.
No, I'm not going up there. My Suron probably, yeah. No, not with a scooter. Not with the scoots.
I also run maximum air pressure in all my scooters and e-bike, so I think that helps.
Oh man. Whee! That was fun. Hi.
I always like to smile and say hi to people passing by. Sometimes it just changes their attitude towards PEVs when you do that. Wet leaves and scooters are no bueno. Gotta be careful with wet leaves. You will slide and wipe out.
Leaves, no bueno on leaves, especially wet leaves. Oh, man, almost ate it there.
I did a little whiskey throttle there. Those are always fun.
Whiskey throttle.
I said, Insta360 video is so much fun. It's just tedious. Time to get silly. Not sure why I did this, but it's fun. On that car, like, what the hell is that guy doing? What is he on? Duck and cover. You all that grew up in the 80s and probably late 70s know what that means. That's the dead fruit that fell off the tree I ran over and snuck up the scooter. I had to wash everything underneath. Nothing like the feeling of carving on a scooter. Almost feels like the one wheel, faster.
Alright, 12.56 miles. .5 on the battery volts. 63.3 on NACPAC. Not bad. Not bad at all. Go NACPAC.
That's about 80% battery left between the NACPAC and the stock battery. Thanks for joining me on my ride fix here. See you next time. Ride safe, wear your gear. Take care of yourself.